Blessings, everyone. So, Nationwide gave us a statement yesterday. So, the double Olympic champion said, in a light of an abundance of requests from my fans and concerned Jamaicans, I want to assure everyone that I have begun my training independently and will continue to do so while I'll finalize all aspects of my team for the upcoming season. So, that's a way of saying indirectly that she will no longer be training with the MVP because she is finalizing her new team. And that's fine with me. You know, Elaine Thompson, my girl. Come on, people, man. If what that Elaine Thompson want to do, you just lower, man. You not talk about business or business. In a day when it come down to the nitty gritty way, Coach Francis did have to change another Nike athlete, who's not from Jamaica. Because a business, you have to do it, So you have to understand, say people have their life and their business, budget. Anything where they want to do, make them do it. You can't go like you want to live your life and another person's life. You try to dictate and tell people to do. No, and that's how it works. Later on, if Elaine Thompson feel back, my bad. Later on, if Elaine Thompson feel to join by the MVP, that's fear problem, that a fear thing of your life, understand these people. So, we just leave people, make them do what them and do. Big up to Elaine Thompson and the whole MVP and everybody, cause that's how we think that. We not force nobody to do nothing. I know my life. I know food no life. You understand me? So leave the people them. Anyways, Blur they represent people. I'm calm down. I come like I get a little short breath. Yeah, so I'm up on a 20,000 journey, right? So I need your support. Everybody watching this video, please bless me. Subscribe to my channel, you understand me? It will be highly appreciated. Just hit that subscribe button and support the channel. When we reach 20,000 subscribers, I give away for 5 subscribers. 5 subscribers will want something. You understand? We're not going to talk until you see me reach 20,000 subscribers. So just hit that subscribe button. Anyways, Blur they represent. Peace and love to people. I'm out.